Imagine slipping life-saving tools right into your wallet without the bulk. Today, we're diving into 7 Amazon gadgets that fit like a credit card but could save your life in an emergency. From multi-tools for quick fixes to trackers and secure wallets. Stick around to see which one's worth every penny. That night, I needed a simple tool, but nothing was there. My daughter cried over a stuck juice box lid. My friend's tent peg bent during a midnight rainstorm. We all have those small, urgent moments of helplessness. I wanted something reliable, compact, and always within reach. Then I found the Wallet Ninja Multitool, a tiny hero. Credit card sized, fits perfectly inside my wallet or pocket. It carries 18 tools, ready for almost any small emergency. Screwdriver, bottle opener, phone stand, peeler, so many essentials. 4 times heat-treated steel built to last through daily life. Lightweight, yet tough. It never bent, rusted, or disappointed. TSA friendly, no sharp edges, under 4 inches, travel-ready reassurance. I tucked it beside my cards, forgot, and then remembered. At a picnic, it popped open bottles with effortless smiles. Fixed a loose eyeglass screw on my child's homework break. Set up a camping phone stand for a movie under stars. Those moments turned small frustrations into shared laughter. It feels like carrying calm and competence in my wallet. Perfect gift, the kind that sparks delighted, surprise, and practical joy. My husband, my dad, even my teen niece love it. Made in the USA, backed by a lifetime guarantee. Never worry about rust, bend, or dulling over time. Everyday carry becomes thoughtful preparedness, without bulky weight. Ideal for travelers, campers, handymen, and weekend tinkerers. It has a special way of making life easier. Slide it out, find the tool, feel the relief. Small act, big calm everyday hero in your pocket. Give the gift that shows you care. Every single time. Grab a Wallet Ninja today, practical, thoughtful, and always ready. Carry kindness and preparedness, one small card. Endless peace. You won't believe what's hiding in this credit card. Victorinox Swisscard Lite Sapphire Blue. Tiny, but powerful tool. Unboxing now, glossy blue, translucent credit card-sized multi-tool. First look, slim, sticker shock small. Feels surprisingly sturdy. It's packed with 13 features, all inside a card. Includes LED mini light, magnifier, scissors, tiny blade, also tweezers, toothpick, pen, ruler, basic daily essentials, mini screwdrivers, nail file, straight pin, finish the set, fits easily inside my wallet next to cards. Using the scissors sharp for such a tiny tool, mini blade deploys quickly, useful for envelopes and packages. LED light is bright, perfect for quick inspection. Magnifier helps reading tiny print surprisingly handy too. Ballpoint pen writes smoothly for quick notes on the go. Tweezers and pin are precise, excellent micro tasks. Credit card size wins, wallet friendly, TSA friendly for daily travelers. Made in Switzerland, quality, feel, and reliable mechanisms. Victorinox reputation matters, known worldwide for durable multi-tools. Sturdy construction belies its size. Feels premium in hand. 3.25 inches closed-length compact but usable daily. Practical for business travelers, office workers, and commuters. Quick fixes. Tighten small screws. Open packages effortlessly. Safety note. Blade is small handle with care. Not a survival tool meant for light everyday tasks. If you like minimalist gear, this deserves a spot. Great gift for professionals and frequent travelers alike. Grab the Victorinox Swisscard Lite, practical everyday essential. Sapphire color looks sleek, stands out in your wallet. Price reflects Swiss quality value if you use often. I recommend it. Check links below to buy. Ever fumble for tools when something breaks on the go? Key repairs at work, bike, or campsite become mini disasters. You don't want a bulky toolbox in your pocket, and cheap multi-tools cut pockets or snag cards unexpectedly. Meet the Toolcard Pro. 40 tools in credit card size, TSA compliant, and only 1.3 ounces. Fly worry-free everywhere. Slim money clip holds 6 cards plus a few bills. Removable clip snaps on or off without any extra tools. Smooth edges won't cut pockets or snag your fabric. Grip it firmly when using any of the tools. Heat-treated 420 stainless steel for durable, Rust-resistant performance. Satin, silver, or matte black PVD finish looks professional. Laser-etched markings, rulers, protractor, inch and metric guides. Use it for boxes, bottles, bikes, screws, and camping. 24 wrenches, screwdrivers, pry bar, cord cutter, and can opener. 1.com. Packed card replaces bulky tools in your everyday pocket. Before, hunting a screwdriver, losing time, getting frustrated quickly. After, pull tool card, fix it, get back to life. Cyclists love quick on-bike adjustments and spoke wrench access. Commuters appreciate slim wallet, secure cards, and minimal bulk. Tradespeople and campers trust lifetime warranty. Rugged performance daily. No cheesy graphics clean. Functional laser-etched layout only. Perfect gift for dad, handymen, outdoors types, and gadget lovers. Choose the two. Pack to save money and share tools. Lightweight, tough, and TSA-friendly for travel and daily use. Fits standard wallet pockets, or carry it with your keys. Simple, reliable, and designed to actually solve real problems. Grab one, stop fumbling, and be ready for anything. Tap the link Ow to get your Toolcard Pro Live prepared. Small card, big capability, pocket piece. Tired of bulky wallets and clunky knives in pockets? Pocket bulge. Uncomfortable carry. Fumbling for tools all day. You want something simple, light, compact, and reliable. Meet the SOG Cash Card Slim, Garnet Red, Smart. Credit card profile, folds flat. Slides into any pocket, unnoticed. Use it as a money clip and card wallet. 2.75-inch stainless blade. Sharp, versatile, ready for daily tasks. Skeletonized aluminum handle keeps weight and bulk to minimum. Full metal construction survives years of real-world abuse reliably. Solid liner lock gives secure, confident one-hand use. Thin handles feel surprisingly comfortable in your grip. Integrated tools, bottle opener, and hex wrench cutouts included. Serrated spine for tougher cuts, clean straight edge too. Flip it open quickly, thumb slot, serrated ramp. Compare bulky multi-tool versus slim SOG cash card. Before, pocketful, heavy, awkward to access constantly. After, flat, lightweight, instant access to blade and cash. Perfect for urban carry, travel, camping, and quick repairs. Bright garnet anodized finish stands out without being flashy. Conceals like a card, performs like a full pocket knife. No bulky wallet, no separate knife, everything consolidated. Durable CNC aluminum frame resists corrosion and wear. Lightweight design means you barely notice it all day. Easy to clip inside pocket or on your belt. Great replacement for a money clip or overloaded wallet. Engineered for everyday carry with tool-ready reliability you trust. SOG quality, small form, big performance, long-lasting. Grab the cash card for smarter, simpler daily carry. See images for features. Bottle opener, wrenches, serration. Tap to buy now. Streamline your pockets today. Think a wallet card can't help in real emergencies? Think again. Most people overestimate memory under stress. Details evaporate fast. Training helps, but you need immediate prompts when seconds count. I'm a field-tested instructor with decades teaching emergency response. I've seen panicked people forget basics, causing avoidable harm. Emergency chaos strips memory, and bulky manuals are useless. You need compact, durable cues with step-by-step actions. That's why the Tiny Survival Guide set exists. Complete 3-guide set covers survival, disaster, and first aid. Each card is wallet-sized, laminated, waterproof, and tear-proof. Icon-driven layouts deliver quick reference steps under severe stress. Cognitive science shows checklists reduce errors during high stress. Simple visual cues, speed decision-making, and muscle memory recall. The Tiny set complements training with 10+ online videos. Cards include illustrated procedures, CPR, choking, trauma, evacuation templates, fits wallets, glove boxes, bug-out bags, and travel kits, field-tested by hikers, preppers, first responders, and families. I carried these on a multi-day backcountry rescue recently. When a hiker collapsed, the card guided immediate, effective care. We stabilized the patient before evacuation. Minutes mattered immensely. Household test. Family used disaster template during storm power loss. Clear communication fields kept everyone organized and safe. Durability matters. Waterproof, tear-proof cards withstand harsh conditions. High contrast icons, readable in low light and stressed states. Tiny survival guide set gives concise, evidence-based emergency guidance. Ideal for families, students, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and responders. Get the Tiny Survival Guide set and be prepared today. Check the online videos to reinforce practical skills anytime. Small card, big advantage preparedness you can carry. Order now, peace of mind starts with pocket-sized readiness. Losing your wallet or phone ruins your morning commute. Frantic searching, cancelled plans, wasted time sounds familiar, right? And passports, bags, and instrument cases disappear without warning. Meet Life 360 Tile Slim, ultra-thin wallet tracker and phone finder. Slide slim into wallets, luggage tags, and passport sleeves. Ring your tile from the Life 360 app to locate instantly. Double press Slim to make your silenced phone loudly ring. Slim hides a discreet SOS button for emergencies. One press SOS can alert your Life 360 circle with location. See family, friends, pets, and tiles together on one map. Works with iOS and Android through the free Life 360 app. 350, foot Bluetooth range, and water-resistant design for everyday use. Long 3-year battery keeps tracking reliable without frequent replacements. Before Slim, pockets emptied, train delayed, heart racing. After Slim, quick ring, located, calm restored in minutes. Commuters slip Slim into wallets, stress-free rides guaranteed. Travelers stash Slim in passports and luggage for peace. Students and solo travelers rely on discreet SOS protection. Parents track kids and items on one clean map. No more couch digging, Slim finds phones even when silenced. Lost items also benefit from crowdsourced locating through the app. Slim survives spills and travel mishaps with IP68 water resistance. Ultra slim, credit card sized, design fits discreetly in any wallet. Setup is simple: pair, place, and relax. Keep loved ones safer with location check-ins and SOS alerts. Requires the Life 360 app with location services enabled on phone. I slipped Slim into my wallet. Never lost it again. Practical protection that simply makes sense for everyday life. Grab your Life 360 Tile Slim in forest green today. Protect items, find phones, and keep family safer. Buy now. Night rain, subway lights. I lose my wallet once. Cards gone, panic rising, pockets suddenly felt painfully empty. Since then, I've hunted for smarter, tougher everyday solutions. Enter the Flipside 4, a compact armored companion. It looks slim, like any minimalist wallet from distance. Open it, and the story changes. Built for protection interior. 3 RFID blocking slot shield cards from invisible skimming threats. No stranger's scanner can read your credit, debit information. Inside, aircraft-grade aluminum and polycarbonate stop bending, crushing damage. Reinforced hinges and scratch-resistant finish keep it looking new. Automatic lock clicks shut. One button flips it open smoothly. Patented thumb eject design allows cards to release with confident speed. Holds 8 cards and 10 bills without any bulk, plus detachable money clip and elastic strap for extra carry. Clip anchors to belt, pocket, or bag securely. I tested it against keys, drops, and crowded subway crowds. Cards never bent. No scratches, no more panic pockets. Designed and built in the USA with thoughtful craftsmanship. 2-year repair or replacement warranty proves their built-for-life promise. Minimalist profile, rugged shell, a paradox that works beautifully for commuters, travelers, hikers, and everyday security-minded people. It replaced my overstuffed wallet and constant worrying instantly. Imagine paying confidently, knowing cards are shielded from theft. Imagine tossing it into backpacks, pockets, or bike pouches fearlessly. The Flipside 4 turns everyday carry into a secure ritual. Sleek enough for suits, tough enough for fieldwork. If you value peace of mind, this is practical armor. Take the flip, Lock your cards, reclaim confident, everyday life. Order one made in USA, built to survive real life. Click the link. Get Flipside 4, secure your pocket today. There you have it, 7 wallet-sized Amazon heroes ready for repairs, survival, or protection, all under $60. Which one's heading into your EDC? Grab them via the links below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more gear that fits your life. Stay prepared out there.